can I pray Taraweeh with an Imam that does the Qunut before Ruku'?
Yani, can I pray Taraweeh with an Imam who prays the Qunut, I mean Dua al-Qunut, before the Ruku'? Subhanallah, that question is supposed to be the other way around. So, طيب. For that person, you should know that the sunnah is to make the qunut before the ruku'. And we're talking about the qunut of the witr, not the qunut of the crisis, the nawazil. For the qunut of the witr, it's all the time before the ruku'. That's the hadith. But in Ramadan, the second half after the 15th, the companions used to do sometimes the qunut, okay, that is after the ruku'. But the default is to make it before the ruku'. And also, the qunut is supposed to be you do and you leave. It's not you do it all the time. That's not from the sunnah. Prophet ﷺ, he prayed 3 nights of al-witr, of Taraweeh. None of these nights he prayed with qunut. The 25th, sorry, the 23rd, let me just switch off this. Okay. 23rd, 25th, and the 27th. 23rd, 25th, and 27th. 29th, he did not come out. 3 nights he prayed, and he did not, in those nights, he did not make qunut. So for the person to make qunut every night, that's not from the sunnah. For the person to make the qunut all the way after the ruku', it's not from the sunnah. To make it before the ruku' all the way, no problem. To make it all the way up to the middle, before the ruku', and sometimes after the 15th, the midway of Ramadan, to make it after the ruku' is the sunnah, inshallah. Now.